Picture this. You're behind someone at security who has all the right travel gear according to every website. Passport in a fancy holder, anti-chafing gel in their liquids bag, traditional neck pillow draped around their neck. 20 minutes later, they're still there, fumbling, explaining, and holding up the entire line. Don't be that traveler. Airport security in 2025 operates by completely different rules than it did 5 years ago. But most travel advice hasn't caught up. The gear that made you look like a serious traveler is now flagging you for extra screening, straining your body during long terminal walks, and even getting your bags force-checked at the gate. After talking to frequent flyers over 65 and watching countless security line disasters, I've identified 13 items that experienced travelers have quietly abandoned. Some will surprise you, others will save your back, and one polite phrase I'll share can actually prevent gate agents from forcing you to check your carry-on. Item number 1, anti-chafing tubes. Traditional anti-chafing products cause unnecessary security delays because of their gel-like consistency and unclear labeling. TSA officers regularly pull these products aside for additional screening. The containers look suspicious on X-ray machines, and agents often need to test them manually, adding several minutes to your checkpoint experience when you're already dealing with longer lines. What works better? Lightweight slip shorts in moisture-wicking fabric, sized one size up from your normal fit. They solve the chafing problem without any liquid restrictions and lay flat under any outfit without bunching or rolling during long flights. For mature travelers, look specifically for compression-free waistbands that won't dig into sensitive areas during extended sitting. Dark colors hide travel wrinkles and work under both light and dark clothing, giving you versatility without bulk. Pack them in your carry-on's main compartment so you can easily access them if you need to change during travel delays or long layovers. Item number 2, passport holders. Those decorative passport booklets with card slots and pen holders actually complicate the TSA process. Security officers require you to remove your passport completely from any holder, wallet, or case. When you're already stressed in the security line, fumbling with snaps, zippers, or tight-fitting holders while people wait behind you creates unnecessary pressure and delays. My better approach? Keep your passport loose in an easily accessible outer pocket until you reach security. Then immediately transfer it to a zipped interior pocket of your personal item once you're through. For digital backup, photograph both the photo page and the barcode page on the back, then save these images in your phone's Secure Notes app with a passcode. This gives you backup documentation if your passport gets lost or stolen. Always hand your passport directly to the TSA officer, never in a holder or lanyard. Hotel safes are perfect for passport storage at your destination, but keep those digital copies accessible for emergencies. Item number 3, overstuffed daily wallets. Your regular wallet packed with every card you own creates multiple problems during travel. Credit cards contain more sensitive personal data than your passport, yet most travelers carry them in bulky, easy-to-grab wallets that practically advertise their contents to pickpockets. At security checkpoints, thick wallets slow you down when you're trying to access specific cards quickly. Switch to a slim RFID blocking wallet with just 3 to 4 essential cards maximum. Choose one with a small loop where you can attach a retractable cable clip from inside your travel bag, making it nearly impossible to drop or lose while fumbling for payment. If TSA questions the cable clip, simply explain it's attached to prevent dropping during travel. They understand this practical concern. Leave loyalty cards at home and use phone apps instead. Digital versions take zero space, can't be lost or stolen, and often provide better rewards tracking than physical cards. Item number 4, old power banks. Portable chargers manufactured more than 2 years ago lack modern safety features that airlines now require. Older power bank models don't have heat monitoring systems, making them genuine fire risks that can delay or cancel entire flights. TSA and airline crews are increasingly strict about outdated models that don't meet current safety standards. Only travel with power banks manufactured within the last 2 years that feature built-in temperature regulation. Choose models from established brands that offer recall notifications. You'll actually get alerts if safety issues arise. Always pack power banks in carry-on luggage only, as they're prohibited in checked bags. For mature travelers, choose models with easy-to-read LED indicators and simple one-button operation rather than complex multi-function units. Register your power bank model with the manufacturer for automatic recall notifications, giving you advance warning if your specific model develops safety issues. Item number 5, traditional duffel bags. Those long terminal walks with a heavy duffel bag across your shoulder will leave you aching before your vacation starts. Airport design assumes you're rolling your luggage, not carrying dead weight through endless concourses. A traditional duffel forces you to bear all that weight on one shoulder or both arms, creating strain that compounds over long travel days. Choose a rolling duffel or wheeled backpack that serves as your carry-on, paired with a lightweight personal item bag. This combination gives you duffel flexibility with the ease of rolling luggage through marathon terminals. For seasoned travelers, prioritize bags with telescoping handles at multiple heights to match your comfort zone. Test any wheeled bag through tight spaces before purchasing. Airport aisles are much narrower than store demonstrations suggest. Item number 6, two-wheeled luggage. Traditional rolling bags require tilting and maneuvering in impossibly tight airplane spaces. When you need to navigate airplane lavatories or cramped aisles, two-wheeled luggage leaves you stuck in awkward positions, tilting and dragging bags through spaces barely wide enough for your body. Other passengers get trapped behind you while you struggle with unwieldy bags. Four-wheeled spinner luggage rotates 360 degrees, letting you pivot instantly in cramped airplane aisles and wheel it upright beside you in lavatories without the tilting dance that blocks other passengers. Pack heavier items on the handle side of spinners for better balance when rolling. Hard shell spinners protect contents better than soft-sided bags during aggressive baggage handling. When boarding, tell flight attendants, "I have a four-wheel bag," if overhead space looks tight. They'll prioritize stable luggage that won't shift during flight. Item number 7, bulky makeup cases. Oversized makeup organizers are designed to make you pack more products, not travel efficiently. These cases consume up to 40% of your suitcase space while encouraging you to bring items you'll never use during your trip. The compartmentalized design tricks you into feeling like every section needs to be filled. A multi-compartment toiletry kit that separates liquids from powders works better, or divide items into smaller pouches that distribute throughout your luggage. Focus on multi-use products that serve double duty. For mature travelers, prioritize skincare over complex makeup routines. Your skin won't suffer dramatically during a 2-week vacation, and simpler routines reduce both packing bulk and daily hassle. Pack only products you use daily at home. Vacation isn't the time to experiment with new routines that might cause reactions far from your regular dermatologist. Item number 8, excessive shoes. Shoe weight counts against luggage limits faster than any other clothing category. Passengers who pack shoes for every possible situation often face overweight fees or impossible packing decisions at check-in. Airlines don't advertise this, but shoe weight adds up incredibly quickly. Wear your heaviest shoes on the plane and pack only one versatile pair. Choose waterproof athletic shoes if rain is likely, or regular sneakers with quality arch support insoles you can transfer between different shoes. At security, tell TSA officers, "Removing shoes now," to speed up the process with bulky footwear. They appreciate the heads up, and it keeps the line moving smoothly. Waterproof shoes aren't just for rain. They're easier to clean after dusty excursions or beach days, reducing the maintenance burden during your trip. Item number 9, flowy outer layers. Loose ponchos and flowing capes create security screening complications and airplane navigation nightmares. These garments catch on armrests, tangle with luggage handles, and force you to constantly manage fabric while juggling boarding passes, bags, and electronics. TSA screening becomes more complex when agents need to check flowing garments for hidden items. Fitted layers like merino wool or cashmere sweaters provide warmth without bulk or catching hazards. Choose pieces that compress easily and won't snag on airplane seats or overhead compartments. Look for sweaters with thumb holes that keep sleeves in place during arm movements, preventing constant readjustment during travel tasks. Pack flowing garments in your suitcase for destination wear, but never wear them during actual travel days when you need practical, snag-free clothing. Item number 10, neck pillows. Most neck pillows provide zero actual support because they lack proper attachment systems. Inflatable versions deflate due to cabin pressure changes, leaving you more uncomfortable than without any pillow. Standard U-shaped pillows slide around constantly, never staying in position when you actually need support. Choose either a structured neck pillow with Velcro straps that attach to your headrest, or a wraparound design that cradles your head for side sleeping. Both options prevent the head-forward dropping that destroys sleep quality on long flights. Attach neck pillows to your carry-on handle to keep hands free during security rather than carrying them separately through checkpoints. Test any neck pillow at home in a straight-back chair before trusting it on a long flight. If it doesn't work in your kitchen chair, it won't work on an airplane. Item number 11. Bulky converters. Most travelers think they need heavy voltage converters for international travel, but modern devices don't require them. Those bulky converters only matter for high-wattage American appliances like hair dryers and curling irons that can't handle foreign electrical systems. Your phone, tablet, and laptop already work worldwide. Pack simple plug adapters for your electronics, plus dual-voltage hair tools if needed. Dual-voltage curling irons and travel dryers eliminate converter bulk while ensuring your styling routine stays intact. When buying hair tools, ask, "Is this dual voltage for international travel?" Check device labels for 100 to 240 volts input. These work worldwide with just plug adapters. Item number 12. Traditional headphones. Regular headphones require hard cases for protection, eating up valuable personal item space. Tangled cords create fumbling emergencies during boarding and security checks when you're trying to manage multiple items quickly. The bulky protection cases take up space you need for more essential items. Wireless earbuds with a backup tether cord solve multiple problems. The compact charging case takes minimal space, while the tether prevents lost earbuds during turbulence or sleep. Choose models with larger earpieces that are easier to handle and locate if dropped in dark airplane cabins. Pack the tether cord separately from the earbuds. You won't need it often, but you'll be grateful when you do. Item number 13. Hidden money belts. Money belts force you to take your eyes off your surroundings in high-risk tourist areas. Digging under clothing for cards or cash makes you a target while you're most vulnerable, fumbling with hidden compartments instead of staying alert to potential threats around you. Divide your cards between an RFID wallet in your slash-resistant bag and one backup card in a simple neck lanyard under your shirt. Add a wallet tracker that looks like a credit card. If theft occurs, you can track your stolen bag without obvious electronics. Practice accessing your cards quickly before entering crowded tourist areas. Smooth retrieval keeps you alert and moving rather than standing still while you dig through hidden compartments. If family members worry about your security, explain, "I'm using distributed storage, not hidden storage." This approach is actually safer because you're not putting all your financial resources in one vulnerable location. Which of these outdated items will you finally retire from your packing list? Have you discovered space-saving alternatives that work better for mature travelers? Share your best packing discoveries in the comments below. I read every single one and love learning from experienced travelers. The travel industry often ignores the specific needs of travelers over 65, designing products for young backpackers rather than people who value efficiency, comfort, and dignity during their journeys. Understanding what works and what doesn't can transform your travel experience from exhausting to enjoyable. If this helped you identify items worth replacing before your next trip, hit that like button and subscribe to Journey Tips for more practical advice designed for experienced travelers. Share this with anyone who's been struggling with outdated travel gear. These insights could save them significant hassle and discomfort. Traveling smart isn't about having the latest gadgets. It's about understanding what actually works in real travel situations and choosing gear that supports your comfort and mobility rather than working against it. Thanks for traveling smarter with Journey Tips. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next one.